Did you climb up it? To there?
It's like 1,000-mile-per-hour winds.
Y'all should have seen it. She climbed the second one in them froze. Not in fear, but because it's cold.
And in fear. That was fear.
Like all of a sudden, it wasn't that bad here, and then out of nowhere, the temperature just said whoosh. Alright guys, we're on top of Ouachita Mountain. If I'm butchering that, I apologize. I'm sorry. I'm not very good at it. Naming things, it's spelled weird. But anyway, so if I butchered it, I apologize. But it's an old fire tower. I don't know if you'll be able to see it from here. So I got some pictures of the wife climbing it, and I'll post them here, let y'all look at that. You should have seen her climbing up to the second rung. She was a little scared. It was funny. It is cold. I made fun of her about being cold, but it is very cold up there, right above the tree line. It is, man. But this view is just freaking spectacular. I was going to try to get some drone footage, put my drone up in the air, and it immediately said no, way too windy. So we're going to get back on it and head to the other fire tower. She's never been to either one of these, and they're just beautiful views. Very cold though. Might need to bring her in the summertime so she can enjoy it a little better. But she's over there eating her goldfish. So, all right, we're going to get back after it. Okay. Which one you died? You rat bastard. What about you? How much battery you got? Show me your battery. Oh, you got plenty of battery. It's the forward-facing one that's being a pain. Oh, guys, part of the filming process that you don't ever see. Constant. There's battery. So all the batteries are the same. These take different batteries. Alright. Alrighty. Put it in gear, and we rally. Okay. Hey guys, Dan with the Crayon Brotherhood, and we are in the Ouachitas up on Ouachita Mountain. I hope that's right. I hope I'm not butchering it. I'm sure there's somebody that say I'm saying it wrong, but anyway, it's just me and the wife. We're doing a day trail, or a day trip. So our last day trip we made it all the way to the Three Sticks, and then it got late, so we headed home. So now we just decided we had time to do just a day trip again, so we're gonna finish this trail out. So we ran up here, and it's about 2.5 hours from the house, not too bad. And we're just gonna finish it up. We're gonna go to the other fire tower, Blue Mountain Fire Tower. And it's probably my favorite fire tower. The tower itself is gone, but the location is, the overlook is killer. It's killer views, just fantastic. But Ouachita, again, I hope I'm saying that right, it's a nice spot, but the tower is in bad shape. And I'm not afraid of heights, I'm just afraid of falls. So I wasn't shimmying up it too far. We went up to the second level. And to be honest with you, it's really cold up there. I was actually quite surprised at how cold it was, just in a 20-foot spot, how much the wind, the trees blocked. It was quite a bit different. So that with the stairs being messed up, and we just didn't shimmy up it too far. And I got a few little photos, and that was about it. So we found a little drop down, we went to it. and you got a little shot of small panoramic. So I'll drop that in here so y'all can see it. It's pretty cool spot. So anyway, we're on our way to the Blue Mountain one. This trail's not too bad, not very technical. It is rough. I would suggest airing down, disconnecting sway bars, all that fun jazz, and playing it for probably a good solid day, because it's a slow trail. You don't want to get beat to death. But anyway, I quit rambling on and let y'all enjoy the trail. So I hope y'all enjoy. Look who we ran into.
What's up, dude?
What's up, buddy? So we made it to the top of Blue Mountain. Again, this is the first time the wife's been up here. And let's see what she thinks about it, other than cold. So but you can hear that wind whipping. I told you it was quiet down there, and then you'd hear the wind up here.
I think I can make it up this with my walker.
It's the turning around. They got a sign up here now. They didn't have that last year. Or a picture of the old tower.
Wow.
And actually it's warmer here than it was at the last tower. It was, I don't get cold, and it was freezing. Not at the ground level though. It was the second level of the tower where the wind come over. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, shop cat. Don't leave him out tonight. There's coyotes up here.
Huh?
There's coyotes up here.
She sleeps in the tent with us.
That's
Get
awesome.
that right, girl. Look at all the glass.
Yeah, so that was probably from that picture frame that was right there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, here's another shot.
Where's the plexiglass?
Nice. What you think of it, Left? Cold?
You want down?
Cold? It's not. It's crazy. Hey, what is this? David Collins. 14. I bet it's ashes. I bet it's like a memorial because it's concrete with his name on it. All right, we're gonna try to climb this. Give me a minute. Oh no, this is where I sent you that picture from. All right, guys. Hold of this thing. Beautiful spot. Campsite's only big enough for about 2, maybe 3 rigs though. It's beautiful sunrise and set. It's cloudy right now, but normally the sunset is really nice. But it is cold. It is very cold. So alright, I'm gonna go cook dinner. You wanna come up here? Come on, I'll help you up. You won't get a nosebleed. This is the spot up here.
You gotta get rid of me is what it is.
Holy
No. Solid pass on that. All right, guys, we got up there at 8, visited a little bit, and we're heading home. So we're probably going to call it pretty close to here on the filming. But if you get a chance and you want to come out and run some trails with us guys, mostly the 870 group, go to the Overland 870 Facebook page, and we post trips on there all the time that we're hosting. The next one is Frosty Fenders Campfire Benders, January 24th and 5th, is it? Or 5th and 6th? 24th, 5th, and 6th. One of those, or 2 of those 3 days there. I can't remember. It's the Saturday and Sunday. Just jump on there and sign up. Hope to see y'all out there. It's gonna be a good time. And that's the first one that we're hosting. And we're planning on doing, I think, 4 or 5 this year. So again, if y'all want to come out and run with us, more than welcome to. If you're able, more than welcome to. So that being said, guys, hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time, simplify and God bless.